Is your collaboration option missing on your Instagram and want to know how to add it back? Hi there, welcome to this easy tutorial, and here I'll show you how you can add missing collaboration on your Instagram. So, let's get started. Before you do anything, open up App Store or Play Store. After that, try to update your Instagram app. Just make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. Now, step 1. Apply for this option. Go to your profile section in Instagram by tapping on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the hamburger button at the top right corner. After that, open the settings. Once you open it, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Help menu. And click on the Report a Problem button. And again, click on Report a Problem without shaking. In the next page, scroll down to the bottom and select Don't Include and continue. Write, I can't find Add Collaboration button after posting anything on Instagram in the blank box. Step 2. Wait for their response. They should resolve the issue within 24 to 48 hours. After that, you can edit your post and add collaboration. That's all for today. That's how you can get this option back to your Android or iOS device. Still have questions? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.